Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to change your Twitter username. If you want to change your Twitter username, all you need to do is to go to your Twitter application, or you can visit the Twitter using the web. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using the Twitter application. You click on the Twitter application. You can log in if you're yet to do so. As you can see, I'm currently logged in. This is my profile up here. I'm currently logged in. So if you're yet to log in, you log in. So once you've logged in, you click on your pics at the left top corner. Then you see the settings and privacy. You click on it. You click on your account. Then you click on account information. So in order to change your username, you click on username. As you can see, this is my current username. All you need to do now is to erase the current username and impute the new username you want to change your Twitter username to. And after imputing the new username, you click on done, and the Twitter username will be updated so long the new username is not used by someone else. So guys, I believe this tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.